This video will demonstrate the proper way to install ECKENR Millworks EnduraCraft PVC columns. Begin by measuring from the floor to the beam or soffit to determine your opening measurement. Trim each shaft piece 1/4 inch shorter than the opening measurement to allow for expansion. Always trim from the bottom of the shaft only. Next, place a mark in the center of the vertical joint at the edge of the panel. Using that mark as a guide, mark every 12 inches down the length of the shaft. During final assembly, drive your nails at each of these marked locations. Laying the panels flat, apply PVC cement or polyurethane adhesive to the center of the joints. Assemble the first 2 joints with the adhesive, then place the 4th panel on top temporarily to keep the column square while securing the first 3 panels with nails. Use 2x4s to create an inner mounting frame around your post. Slide the assembled 3-panel column around the support. Apply adhesive, lock the final panel into place with the Easy Lock joint, and secure with nails. Cut and install the cap and base trim pieces, then apply adhesive and nail them into place. Leave 1/4 inch at the top of the column for expansion. Fill any gaps and fastener holes with latex caulk, clean the column surface, and apply 2 coats of paint to complete a beautiful, long-lasting installation.